Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to easily filter your audio library in YouTube using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch your web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Step 2. Scroll down the page until you find Audio Library. This is where you can access the vast collection of audio tracks available for use in your YouTube videos. Step 3. Click on Search or Filter Library. This will allow you to refine your search and find the perfect audio track for your video. Once you click on the search bar, you can now enter specific keywords or filters to narrow down your options. You can search by genre, mood, instrument, duration, and more. By filtering your audio library, you can quickly find the ideal music track that complements your video content and enhances the overall viewer experience. Remember, using royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library ensures that you have the necessary rights to use the music in your videos without any copyright issues. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.